The Cybex Callisto G 360 is number one, but buying it without checking weight and vehicle space is an expensive mistake. The runners-up suit narrower rows and simpler budgets. Choose installation help, narrow fit, or swivel convenience. Number 3. Britax One4Life ClickTight. Wrestling with a vehicle belt every time you move seats gets old quickly. I'd choose this when installation assistance matters more than having the smallest seat. Its lock-off supports both vehicle belt and latch setups, which can reduce that everyday setup friction. Belt installation scores 8.0, so that's the strongest reason it makes this shortlist. But its crash test category score is 6.7, and its size and weight showing isn't a standout. So I wouldn't choose it primarily by that category or for a cramped back row. Skip it if compact dimensions drive your decision. Number 2. Graco SlimFit3 LX 3in1. Need to preserve usable space across a crowded vehicle row? I'd pick the Graco when seat width is the constraint you can't negotiate. Its narrow seat roll is the whole appeal, especially when another passenger needs workable shoulder room nearby. The crash test category score is 8.4, while latch installation lands at 6.5. Vehicle belt installation drops to 4.8, so setup ease can change noticeably with your configuration. That's the compromise. I wouldn't buy it expecting every installation method to feel equally straightforward. Skip it if you'll move the seat often or regularly switch installation methods. Number 1. Cybex Callisto G 360. This is the one I'd choose when easier setup and daily access justify paying more. Latch installation scores 9.0, while vehicle belt installation reaches 9.5. That means either common setup route is a strong part of its case. Then the swivel design reduces awkward reaching during everyday loading, and the canopy adds practical coverage. But this isn't the sensible default for every family. It's heavy, premium positioned, and its crash test category score trails its installation scores. I wouldn't choose it for frequent vehicle swaps or a tight budget. Skip it if low weight matters more than swivel convenience. Choose Britax for lock-off assistance, Graco when row width decides everything, and Cybex for swivel access plus strong installation ease. I'd still favor Cybex unless weight, space, or budget pushes you elsewhere. Before buying, confirm your child's fit boundaries, vehicle space, installation method, and cleaning routine. Then consider how often you'll move the seat. Prices and configurations change, so check before you buy. I'd take the Cybex for easier setup and swivel convenience. Choose Graco for a crowded row, or Britax for lock-off help. Links are in the description.